Hi everybody, I'm Giorgia, I come from Italy. So I bought this car that I love and I met desertfellas last October and I made my discovery session and I was so happy to do it. I enjoyed so much that I immediately enrolled in the first basic training session that was coming in January. So in January I start my 6 weeks of training. They were hard but so much funny, and week after week I gained more confidence and I was enjoying every week more than the previous week. And so now I'm a junior, graduated junior, and very proud. Now I'm driving sometimes some Saturdays with the group, with junior drives. What is really good of desertfellas is that they are gonna lead you not only during the course but during all the year. So there's a group of people that are really enjoying driving in the sand, and they really want you to enjoy in a safe way, and that is very important. So I just wanted to accumulate as many drives as I can because I want to for sure attend the advanced course maybe next year. And so that's it. I'm very happy to be part of this group.